Alright, hey guys, here is a Fanimation Belleaire ceiling fan. Sorry, sorry to talk a little bit funny because I just had a cold. But I got this Fanimation Belleaire at the warehouse because they have some returns. Because I'm not sure what's wrong with it because of the motor was probably noisy or something like that. It has palm. I already have two Fanimations, because I have a lot of Fanimations now. Because I have a Fanimation, two Fanimation Palisades, a Fanimation the Fanimation with the blades, and a Fanimation Exxon. Fanimation Urban, and Fanimation Fitzgerald. It works fine. Really, it's like a tropical fan. And I really like this one because the box for it is right here. And what you have to do with the blades is you have to use, I forgot what the details, but there's the box for it. And then here are the blade options here. Sorry, my camera's just a little bit. Okay, guys. There we go. There's the. It's for it, because look, you can actually choose it in this finish, the age bronze finish, late finish, meat white finish, texture black finish, and torso steel finish. Then you can actually put real blades right there. It shows in the box. There's instructions for how to install it. There's the leaf. There's has a Fanimation pole on it. It's an indoor outdoor fan. This top anyways, we'll start on low and I'll close the door. Here. We'll start on low. I'll turn it on to low.
Alright. What?
Okay, close it here. I don't want any conversations in this. I'm just gonna shut the door.
Bye, video man.
Shut the. Actually, oh. I should have let this on so I can just leave the door open. The other side blades are just the same finish. Medium. Also got a new fan. My dad picked that up Habitat because I didn't go because of the stuff. But my dad got a Habitat today, so not this one, but the new one. I got a new fan today. I'll show you that in a second. After I'm done filming this, I'll try to remember anyway. Doesn't wobble too bad. High. This one does not have a 4 or 5 motor. Blows a lot. Oh, it blows some air. Sure. I'll show. I'll show in reverse. Does a quick spin down. Does a quick spin down because of the leaves and stuff, the leaf blades or something. Yeah, it's just like a Casablanca Avalon because it spins out really quickly, and like Islanders and stuff. Sits out like about 30 or 45 seconds. I'm gonna say at least. Medium here. High. Turn off. Well, that's it for that. And I'll go show you. I'll go show you that just in time. There's a Harbor Reese Colère that I got. Down rods and a couple mounting brackets there. And I got a spare one too. Here are the blades for the Colère. They looked really yellow, probably because of the pollen or something. whatever. But anyways, that's it. So I'm gonna talk this out.